Hi, so this is my programming project. Me and my colleague, we designed a 3D navigation system where you can navigate in a 3D environment using Kinect. We're using Kinect version 2 and processing as well for coding. So as you can see on the top left side of the screen, there is a camera capturing me, and the little skeleton is applied on top of my body. Every bone of my body is represented in a line, and every joint is represented in a circle. On the middle of the screen, you can see two green circles. This one moves as my right hand moves, and the other one moves as my left hand moves. We have this 3D object we imported into processing, and we want to navigate in this 3D object using the Kinect. So what we did is that I'm using the right hand to navigate. We kept tolerance zone, which is close to my shoulder. So if my right hand is close to my shoulder, that means the program is not going to do anything. But if as my hand goes a little bit farther to the right, up or down, you can see on the screen the camera is changing, is following my right hand movement. So I can look in all directions this way. Now if I want to walk through the object, the 3D object, all I have to do is just to close my hand like this. I'm just closing my hand now, and as you can see on the screen, I can zoom in or walk through. If I want to go backward, I just have to do the peace sign in my right hand, and the camera is going to go backward. So simply, this is what you can do in the right hand. The left hand, we give it a little bit of functions. So we have some buttons here where I can change the background color. Now if I go out, you can see the color is changing as I press here. It's all blue colors degrees. And I can take a picture of this by saying save frame. I just put my hand on it and then I capture. Here we have this object, another object, which is a table, dining table in this room. And if I want to move it, I would just use these buttons to move it. Right, back, and left. So basically how this whole Kinect thing works. This is the Kinect device, as you can see it here. It looks like any normal camera, but actually this camera has a infrared source. It will send the rays into the space, and then it will calculate the time to return. And based on that, it will draw a 3D depth map for the space. Now, in order to capture a human body, this camera is going to draw a map for every object in this space. However, most of these objects are steady. We want to tell this camera, isolate all steady objects and capture only moving objects, which is me, the human being. Now once it's captured me, it will isolate everything, and then it will draw a line on the borders of my body. It will start from the top point of my head and then draw one line, this is head. And then it will go down here, which is shoulder. And then you can see every line here represents one bone in my body. And then every joint is represented with a circle. This camera does not use light to capture people. It uses only the rays. Therefore, whether there is light or there is no light, dark or not, it does not matter. It will keep capturing you. There could be a loss of utilizations of this camera or this sensor, as we can call it as well. Currently, they're using it only in the gaming industry, but it can be used more in smart home systems to capture human motions and give functions to the house, or even you can use it in robots as well. That's all. Thank you.